one of our most favorite chocolate, Dairy Milk. You have probably eaten it many times, but did you know that the famous chocolate bar we know today came after an earlier milk chocolate product failed? Yes, and that was not the only one problem Cadbury faced. There were business struggles, competition, shortages, World War II, and major changes in the company. So, how did Dairy Milk survive all of that and became one of the world's most loved chocolate? Let's go back to the beginning. And the story begins in 1824 in England. John Cadbury started a small grocery shop. He sold many things, including cocoa and drinking chocolate. But the business was not always successful. Competition was strong. The company struggled, and eventually John's sons, Richard and George Cadbury, took over the business. They were very young, but they had a big problem to solve. How could they save the family business? Then they found an opportunity. In 1866, they discovered a new way of processing cocoa. It helped them make a much better cocoa product, and they called it Cocoa Essence. The product became successful. For Cadbury, this was a major turning point. Cadbury wanted to enter the growing milk chocolate market. So in 1897, the company made its first milk chocolate for eating. But there was a problem. It wasn't good enough. It was described as dry and not sweet enough. The product did not become the success that Cadbury actually wanted. They kept working on the idea. At this time, they wanted to do something different. They wanted to make a milk chocolate that was much creamier and richer. Around 1900, George Cadbury took on the challenge. The goal was simple: make a chocolate with more milk than anything else on the market. The recipe had to be improved again and again, but eventually they found the formula they wanted. Now, they needed a name, and the product was called Dairy Milk. In 1905, Cadbury launched it, and then came the biggest question: would people actually buy it? At first, nobody knew, but customers started liking the new chocolate. The creamy taste helped it stand out, and slowly sales began to grow. Dairy Milk was first sold in large blocks. Shopkeepers could break the blocks into smaller pieces for customers, but the product kept growing. By early 1920s, Dairy Milk had become Cadbury's best-selling chocolate bar in the UK, and that was a huge achievement. Cadbury now had to produce much more chocolate, and that meant expanding. So Cadbury began expanding outside Britain, but just when the company was growing, the world changed. In 1939, World War II began, and suddenly making chocolate became much harder. Sugar became difficult to get, milk supplies were affected, and many ingredients were rationed. Cadbury could no longer make its chocolate exactly as before. So the company had to change its recipe. It produced ration chocolate using dried skimmed milk powder. Imagine building a successful chocolate brand and then suddenly being told you can't get the ingredients you want. But Cadbury had no choice, either adapt or struggle. So the company adapted and Dairy Milk survived. After the World War II, Cadbury continued growing and understood that people don't buy chocolate only because they are hungry, but they buy it for many reasons: to celebrate, to give someone as a gift, to enjoy a small moment, to share with family and friends. Cadbury started building its advertising around these emotions, and this became a major part of the brand. One famous example came much later. In 2007, Cadbury released an advertisement featuring a gorilla playing drums. It became a huge talking point. People weren't watching an advertisement, they were talking about it. That was a smart marketing. Cadbury had turned chocolate into an experience and continued introducing new products. It expanded into different markets, and the company itself went through major changes. In 1969, Cadbury merged with Schweppes. So the company that started as a small grocery business and had gone through enormous changes. But one thing remained powerful: Dairy Milk. So what made Dairy Milk successful? Was it the packaging, or was it the advertising, or was it the taste? The answer is probably a combination of all three. As Cadbury kept improving, their first milk chocolate wasn't good enough, but they did not stop. The company faced competition, but they kept going. World War II created ingredient shortages, but they adapted. The market changed. They changed along with it. And over time, Dairy Milk became much more than a chocolate bar. It became a familiar name in millions of homes. And the final lesson we are taking? Today, when we see Dairy Milk in a shop, it looks simple, just a chocolate bar. But behind that bar is a story of experiments, failures, problems, decisions, and constant improvement. They kept improving until people loved the result. So, the next time you see a Dairy Milk, remember that the journey to that chocolate bar started almost 200 years ago. And sometimes the biggest brands aren't built by getting everything right the first time. They are built by not giving up when first attempt isn't good enough.